Hello besties, welcome back again to my channel. Welcome to Yamuso Network. As you all know, here we enjoy content on agriculture, gardening, food and travel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to comment down below and anything you'd like for me to present. For this video, I'm just gonna show you the planting process I did. I just bought regular seeds from a local store and planted directly to the soil. I didn't use any seedlings or process of planting. I just planted directly to the soil. For my first germination, it took 2 weeks, and I just water once a day after sunset. Now, one of the most important things is that once a seed is small, it requires a lot of water, and I think we need a irrigation system so that you should use your water sparely. But for now, I'm just using what I have. I'm just using what I have to see if my plants can grow. After 2 weeks, this is how my first germination looks like. On the plots I prepared. On the sides I have cabbages from last season. The other side I need to take them out because they are not growing as successfully as I thought they would. And then on this side I have my seedling beds. As you can see, my onion has started with its first germination process. Yes, and this is a mini plot I'm just gonna do my seedlings on, hopefully, for transplanting. And then on the other side I have my spinach plot. It was not as successful as I thought it would be. Usually it's not a hard crop to grow, but I don't know, it didn't germinate as much as I wanted to. And for lettuce, this side I have fairly good germination this side. This is my favorite, and I hope that I'll have my garden salad. So it was not that bad on the lettuce. Yes, and next is my carrots. These are not hard to maintain. As I said on my first video, I have my first germination already, and it looks very promising. Yes. So you guys, one thing about gardening, you need to be consistent with your watering and weeding. Yes. And then my beetroot, it is not germinating. I don't know, probably I need more fertilizer or compost that can boost it, but at the moment I'm not sure what I'm gonna apply. And then I have my onions plot. As you can see, I have few, but on the other side I have a lot, but it is also promising, and it's not difficult to maintain. And on the other side, far end, I have my watermelon. I planted it separately because it is a running plant. It's a runner, so it spreads. So I wanted it to have enough space when it spreads. So yes, guys, this is as far. And then fast forward, we have 3 months later, my first harvest. Yes, for my first harvest I have my carrots that I enjoyed a lot. They are not as big, but it was successful, and my lettuce. And then I decided to add leftover cabbage that was left from my current project, and I decided to take the cabbages to transplant on my backyard. As you can see, the seedlings are a bit grown, and I'm planning to transfer it there and coop it with onions. And then I want to remove the cabbage because it's from last season. The challenging thing about gardening is the weeding. Weeding, guys. Please recommend on products that I can use for weeding purposes. And yeah, I have, as you can see, my onion and lettuce that I'm eating. Every day I'm having lettuce and carrots. So guys, yeah, as far as the most successful, don't forget now it's winter, and then I don't have that much time to spend in the garden. Hence you can see so much weeds. And then I decided to add more beetroot here, just to see what for the new season, if it's gonna improve. Guys, please comment on things I can use for this garden. And then my my watermelon is not successful, guys. It died. I think it's because of winter. And then every sunset we come down. I decided to now weed my garden, as you can see, and rearrange my plots. I decided to do that, and this is not easy, guys, especially when you're doing it alone. I think you need somebody to help you, but yeah, I think when you're committed enough, you can do it by yourself. But the load becomes too much, and then I just decided to weed and rearrange and prepare for the next planting season. Stay tuned, guys.